Hi guys, this is Tech City. Today I want to show you a simple tutorial how to reset your Wi-Fi adapter. I've experienced some situations whereby my Wi-Fi will start malfunctioning. No matter how you try to connect it, it won't work. The funniest part, if you disable and enable it, it will still be the same thing. But I found a solution to it using command prompt, which will reset everything in your Wi-Fi adapter and make it default, that is factory settings. So let's get into it. The first thing we have to do here is to go to the command prompt. I already have mine here, but in case you don't know how to do that, just open your search button and type cmd, then open it. You can also run it as administrator, it depends on your choice. Now, good, we have it here. Let me maximize it. Now I've already copied the command lines and that I'll be using, and you can check below the description in the video. You will find them there. All you have to do is just copy them one by one, paste them, and follow the instruction in this video. So the first one is netsh winsock reset. Let me copy this. Now let me paste it here and press enter and wait. As you can see, the requested operation requires elevation, that is run this thing, run the CMD as administrator. So let me close this. Okay, so let me go back here and type CMD. This time around, instead of clicking open, I'll click run as administrator. Good. Maximize it. So I'll paste it again, enter. As you can see, successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart. Don't restart yet, we still have other lines to input. Now the second one is IP reset. Most times I don't like doing this. I don't like changing my IP so that won't look like I'm spamming some website also. But this tutorial we have to do it. Now let's paste it, enter. Good. As you can see, now let's move on. The third one, that is ipconfig. Let's paste it, enter. Don't worry about this one, it is because I'm not connected to the internet at the moment, that's why. But if you want to do it, don't be connected, just do it like this. You can connect later, it will work. Now the fourth one, ipconfig renew. Let's paste it, okay, enter. Good. And the last one, ipconfig flushdns. Copy. There's the last one. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. So that's it. After this, close it. And the next thing you have to do here is to restart your system. But I don't need to do that now. So thank you for watching my video, and trust me, your Wi-Fi will start working flawlessly. So once again, thank you. Kindly subscribe to view more videos.